Hello everyone, today we're going to do 3 natural DIYs by Priyanka Chopra and the secret behind her beautiful hair and flawless skin. Number 1 is Lip Scrub DIY. This will make your lips look smooth, pink and more plump. You will need 1 tablespoon of sea salt, half teaspoon of vegetable glycerin and half teaspoon of rose water. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl and then gently rub the scrub on your lips using your fingers and wash it off. Number 2 is the body scrub. It's an exfoliator and moisturizer. It hydrates the skin. You can do it before you shower. You will need 1 cup of gram flour, add plain yogurt and a little bit of lemon juice. Mix all the ingredients. You can add whole milk to get a more consistent paste. Add a pinch of sandalwood powder and a pinch of turmeric powder. Mix very well and then apply the mixture on your skin. Leave it dry and then scrub it off and shower. Number 3 is a scalp treatment. You will need plain yogurt according to your needs and the length of your hair, 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 egg. Mix the ingredients and apply the mixture over your hair as a mask. Don't forget to massage the scalp and leave it for 13 minutes, then you can wash it off. So that's it guys for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.